ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்ஷனா. அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. நம்ம சம்பிரதாய மஞ்சரி இ பாட்சாலா தமிழ் லெவல் 0ல இருக்கோம். எங்க ஆரம்பிச்சோம்? நிறைய வடிவங்கள், அப்புறம் வண்ணங்கள்னா கலர்ஸ், அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம். நிறைய வேர்ட்ஸ் அபியாசம் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். அதாவது 1 letter word, 2 letter word, like that. what you say, ஓரெழுத்து சொற்கள், ஒன்றுக்கும் மேற்பட்ட எழுத்துக்களை கொண்ட சொற்கள், அதுதான் 1 letter word, more than 1 letter words அப்படிங்கிறது. ஸோ வேர்ட்னா என்ன? இஃப் இட் கிவ்ஸ் அ ப்ராப்பர் மீனிங். இதெல்லாம் நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம். And we have seen the gender names as well. How we refer gender names in Tamil. அதுதான் இது. Later some more words which is useful in day-to-day life, like tata, பாடம், எலி, கிளி, இடி, தயிர், தம்பி, பாட்டி, இதெல்லாம் டே டு டே லைஃப்க்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். எண்ணெய். ஓகே. திருப்பல்லாண்டு we have revised, we tried to read திருப்பல்லாண்டு in last class, right? Also this. So I told, before I go to Tirupavai, we will read 2 more general slides, 2 more general simple sentences today in Tamil. So these 2 slides will be covered today. Okay. Usually in our sampradayam, how we have Tirupavai, Tirupallandu and Desika Prabandham. In Tamil we have Seyyul. These also comes under Tamil Seyyul. No doubt, Tirupavai. The Seyyul means a poetic format. Okay. So these also comes under that. But there are different types of Seyyul. Okay. Let it be there. We don't go in detail of that. Okay. This is similar to, you remember Atichuri, simple sentence. Agara mudala ezhuthellam is Tirukural. Atichuri, you remember? அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு, ஆறுவது சினம், இயல்வது கரவேல், like that. We have seen, right, in உயிரெழுத்து sequence, the sentences starts with உயிரெழுத்து and next sentence will be the next உயிரெழுத்து, like the sequence of உயிரெழுத்து letter. Like that, there is one more very famous, is Ulaga Needi. We don't know, I don't know who is the author, but this been taught in schools for primary classes. Okay. Why? Because it is very simple sentences. Like Atichuri, Aram Seiya Virumbu, though it has very big moral values, that is very useful for our life. Okay, that helps us to define our character. Okay, if we follow that, we will become a good person, good human. Aram seiya virumbu, aaruvathu sinam. You will become a very good man or woman if you follow those. Like that, there is one more set which is called as Ulaga Needi. Okay. So these will be paragraphs. Okay. This will be set of lines, comprises 1 para. Other set of lines comprises 2nd para. I chose only simple lines. I didn't give the entire para of that poetry. Okay. So I have taken only simple lines from that poetry, and I have introduced here just for your reference, which help your reading practice. Okay. Odamal oru naalum irukka vendam. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing why I chose. See, this will be the vendams will be repeated all throughout the poem. Okay, so you can get to know the particular word. See, ve in da im vendam. So you can read as many times as possible. So then your mind will get registered with this ve in da im. At least this letters will get registered on the word as well. Okay. 1 minute. O da ma il. Like that you have to read. Today I will read few sentences. You try to read on your own. ஓதாமல் ஒரு நாளும் இருக்க வேண்டாம். Don't waste your time without reading. Whatever, at least read once whatever you have learnt, or revise once whatever you have learnt. It does not mean only the school studies. It also means whatever you are learning, be it stotra padam, or be it prabandham, be it language, whatever you are learning, try to read, revise, or abhyasam, whatever we say in Sanskritam, no? Abhyasam venum. So, payirchi romba mukkiyam, practice romba mukkiyam. Appo daily oru tharavayavadu padikkanum. Nama enna kattundomo, we have to read, revise at least once in a day. So that's why they are giving homework in your school. Anyways, by writing your homework, you will be revising the particular subject what you learnt in the school for that day, right? So if you come to Sampradayam, like this stotras or prabandham, you have to revise or practice more than one time, right? Like how you are doing your homework. So this Odamal refers to both stotras, prabandhas, as well as your school studies. Okay. Oruvarayum pollangu solla vendam. This is the way we say. Okay. There will be a rhythmic pattern. Odamal oru naalum irukka vendam. Oruvarayum pollangu solla vendam. Like that it will go. Okay. Oruvarayum போயில்லாயிங்கு பொல்லாங்கு சொல்ல வேண்டாம். Don't blame anyone. Okay. She is bad, he is bad, like that. Don't blame anyone at any cost. ஒருவரையும் பொல்லாங்கு சொல்ல வேண்டாம். If you don't know about them, even if you know also, you should not talk ill about others. This is similar to Atichuri and this is similar to Tirupavai. Whatever we have mapped with Tirupavai Pasaram, right? Same thing. The Niti is same across all poems, right? Atichuri, Tirupavai, or this Ulaganidi or Tirukural, everything carries the same moral values. Whatever is dharma, that only being taught. Okay. Madavai, mata means mother. Madavai oru naalum marakka vendam. Don't forget your mother. Madavai oru naalum. Say same word is being repeated. That's why I thought of teaching this. Marakka vendam. Vanja va incha nai ga il. If you observe, rai, vai, nai, all these are coming, right? So this is a very good revision for your Uyirmai sequence. Vanjanaigal sei va ro du I na inga வேண்டாம். வஞ்சனைகள் செய்வாரோடு இணங்க வேண்டாம். Somebody is doing bad to others, you don't become friends or you don't need to be with them. Once you know they are bad, try to avoid them. That's what. வஞ்சனைகள் செய்வாரோடு இணங்க வேண்டாம். இணங்கனா it means friendship. Okay, don't make them as your friends. போகாத போகாத இட இந்த நீலே போக வேண்டாம். போகாத இடந்தனிலே போக வேண்டாம். Don't go to the place that are restricted or that are prohibited for you to go. Don't go like that. Okay, this has a very big meaning, but I am just trying to simplify and give it in a form which suits for school children. Okay, pogada idandanile poga vendam. When your parents said don't go there, please don't go there, follow them. That is the meaning for this line. Poga vittu po, see pogada here, same word. Poga vittu vittu ip there, right? You have to pronounce. Poga vittu puram solli it you have to pronounce. Tiriya vendam. Poga vittu puram solli tiriya vendam. For it how you will say poga vittu, you will be locking your lips just for a second. Poga vittu puram solli tiri, like that. It, you will be saying that it just for a second. Poga vittu puram solli tiriya vendam. If someone is there in front of him, you will be talking, wow, you are very good, I know about you, like that. You will be talking to them as if you are so good with them. Once that person left the place, you started talking ill about him. No, that is not correct. Poga vittu means once he started going back, or once he is moving away. Okay, once he left the place. Puram means speaking ill or talking ill about others when they are not around. The puram refers to more of gossiping when they are not around. So don't gossip. As simple as this, right? ஓதாமல் ஒரு நாளும் இருக்க வேண்டாம். ஒருவரையும் பொல்லாங்கு சொல்ல வேண்டாம். மாதாவை ஒரு நாளும் மறக்க வேண்டாம். வஞ்சனைகள் செய்வாரோடு இணங்க வேண்டாம். What else? போகாத இடந்தனிலே போக வேண்டாம். போக விட்டு புறம் சொல்லி திரிய வேண்டாம். This is how the poetry goes. So one of you can try one, each of you can try one sentences. Ready? It's okay, we go slowly. Next week we will try to read this. I will give you this slide as an assignment so that you can try on your own. I will try to read and show you once and then share this as an assignment. Today you will read, each one of you read one sentences. Who is going to start first?
May I try it?
Yes, try again. Read the third line.
Third line. மாதாவை ஒரு நான் ஒரு நான்கும்
Lu, that is lu.
ஒரு நாளும் மறக்க வேண்டாம்.
Very good. One more line. Second one, try the next line. That is fourth one.
வஞ்ச வஞ்சனைகள்
You try to read on your own. If you don't remember the word, no, if you are finding difficult, try to read the letter. Then you will get automatically. Try to read on your own. Okay?
Okay. வஞ்சனைகள் செய்யவா செய்வாரோடு.
Very good, very good. That's all. செய்வாரோடு, very good.
செய்வாரோடு
Very good.
இணங்க
very good.
வேண்டாம்.
Now read together.
வஞ்சனைகள் செய்வாரோடு எங்கை வேண்டாம். இணங்கை வேண்டாம்.
கை இல்லையே, கா இருக்கா? கைனா எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஓகேயா? அந்த காக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த சிம்பிள் இருக்கும், கை அப்படின்னா. பட் இது க. இணங்க வேண்டாம். Read these two lines together.
Which starting from and second line with the
yes, third and fourth. Yes.
Okay. மாதாவை ஒரு நாளும் மறக்க வேண்டாம்.
Very good.
Again, this is don't slide.
No, yes, don't forget your mother, like that. Yes.
Okay. வஞ்ச வஞ்சனைகள்.
Very good.
செய்வாரோடு இணங்கு வேண்டாம்.
Very good, very good. Good, you are trying to identify the letters. Good. So practice. Very good, Malala. And who else? Who's next? Hriday or Aniruddha? Who wants to try? Aniruddha, you try. I will help. Hriday, you want to try? Yeah, anybody?
எந்த லைன்?
First line படிங்க ஓடியன்.
ஊடாமல் ஊடாமனு
ஒரு நாளும்
இருக்க வேண்டாம்.
Very good. Okay, you read the fifth line.
Should I get on the again?
This one. Yes, you only. O. Read one word letter. Read the letter first.
O, da, O, ka, da, poka, pokada,
very good. Pogada.
pogada, bogada, ita, na,
in. In. Right.
in, do, da, ta, ni, re, le.
Very good. Idantanile.
Idantanile, po, po, po,
Ga. Right. Poga.
poga vendam.
Now read together. Pogada.
Pogada itana
Idaintanile.
idantanile poga vendam.
Now this one, first one again. Odamal.
ஓடாமல் ஒரு நாளும்
very good
இருக்க வேண்டாம்.
That's all. Very good. Now போகாத
இடந்தனிலே போக வேண்டாம்.
Very good. Very good. Now comes Aniruddha. Very good.
Yes, yes.
Try again second line and last line for you. Oh, you try to identify the letters. I will read.
Second line and last line.
Yes.
Second line.
Oh, Ru.
Last line.
Yes. Read second line. Oru varayum.
Second line. And then third line, second and third line. No, second and
no,
last
second
line.
line, last line. Yes.
And no, first you read second.
You identify the letters.
O, yeah.
Ru.
Ru. Wait, what is that alphabet? In like here. Wait, what is this alphabet?
Oru. Ru.
Ru. Va.
Rai.
Rai.
Yu.
Varai.
Yum.
In. Oru varai min.
Yoru varayum. That's all.
Oru varayum.
Po.
Give.
Wo. Il.
In.
Then a letter.
Po, il.
La.
La. La.
Ing.
Ing. Pulla. Ing.
Very good. Pollang. Very good. Now next word.
Then that is yes.
So
again, yes.
So illa.
So illa.
சொல்ல வேண்டாம்.
சொல்ல வேண்டாம்.
Now tell one more time. ஒருவரையும்.
ஒருவரையும். பில்லாந்து
பொல்லாங்கு
பொல்லாந்து
சொல்ல வேண்டாம்
சொல்ல வேண்டாம். What does that mean?
ஒருவரையும் பொல்லாங்கு. One more time you read.
ஒருவரையும் பொல்லாங்கு சொல்ல வேண்டாம்.
Very good. Now you read the first line. Hriday read, no? The same line.
What does the second line mean?
I don't know. Don't tell ill about others.
What does you mean? Don't tell bad things about others?
Others. Anyone. Be it your friend or your enemy. ஓதாமல் ஒரு நாளும் இருக்க வேண்டாம். Read. ஓதா. No da. Ma. One minute, I will be in mute, okay?
ஓதாமல். Again ஓதாமல்.
Aniruddha, just give me a minute. I'll join back. Give me a minute, one. Okay.
ஓதாமல் ஒரு நாளும் இருக்க வேண்டாம். ஓதாமல் ஒரு நாளும் இருக்க வேண்டாம். ஓரையம் ஓருவரையம் பொல்லாங்கு சொல்ல வேண்டாம். மாதாவை
ஒரு நாளும். So who is going to read full?
I am going to try.
Yes, please try.
Okay. ஓதாமல் ஒரு நாளும் இருக்க வேண்டாம். Again, what is the second line? First word in second line. What is the first word?
Again, கேக்குறதா?
கேக்குது. Clear கேக்குது. What is in the second line? First word. ஒருவரையும் பொல்லாங்க சொல்ல வேண்டாம்.
Very good.
மாதாவை ஒரு நாளும் மறக்க வேண்டாம். வஞ்ச
நை வஞ்ச. Okay, kids, 1 minute. See, when sa comes after inj, no, we will say as ja, not sa. So vanja, okay.
வஞ்சனைகள செய்ய இல் வஞ்சனைகள் செய்வாரோடு எங்கை இன்கை இன்க இன்க.
Very good. Now read. Inanga
இணங்க செய்வாரோடு இணங்க வேண்டாம்.
Very good.
இந்த
you split and read.
இடந்தனிலே.
Very good. போகாத இடந்தனிலே. Very good.
போகாத இடந்தனிலே. Don't go in dirty water, right?
No. Idantanile means places. Don't go to the places which are not for you.
Oh, okay. போக வேண்டாம். I will read once more because போகாத இந்த நிலை.
No.
இடந்தனிலே.
Okay. Idam means place. Idaim means place. Tanile means the wherever, like that. It will be a continuous tense. Okay. Don't go to the place.
Okay, what is difference between tanile and tannile?
Tanni means different. Tanile means whichever, like that. Whichever places that are not for you, don't go there.
Okay.
Pogada idandanile. Whichever places not for you, poga vendam, don't go.
Okay. Poga vida. Poga vida.
No. It is there. Poga vittu.
Poga vittu. Poga vittu. Puram. Poga vittil.
You have to lock your lip and say poga vittu puram.
Poga vittu puram. Sollide. Sollit தெரியே. சொல்லித் திரிய வேண்டாம்.
Very good. One more time.
சொல்லித் திரிய வேண்டாம்.
Read together. போக விட்டு புறம் சொல்லித் திரிய வேண்டாம்.
போக விட்டு புறம் செய்.
No. For if you have to lock your lip, it will come automatically. போக விட்டு புறம் சொல்லி. If you lock your lip like that, it will come.
Okay. போக விட்டு
போக விட்டு
புறம் சொல்லித் திரிய வேண்டாம்.
Very good. Yes, that's all. So this is all about reading simple sentences. Now
what is this? Is this
means okay, you will be waiting for the time till he goes. Say you don't like someone, okay, You Pogavittu. Wait. Let him go. Let him go.
No, this 5 or 4 lines heading Ulaganidi.
Ulaganidi, moral values for all. Okay, Pogavittu means let him go. Once he gone, Puram Solli means gossiping about him. So Siriya Vendamna, don't make it as a practice of gossiping. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, so this is called Ulaganidi. This is not for only Indians or only for Tamil people. Ulaganidi, all over universe. This is applicable. Like speak truth. Is this applicable only for Malolan or only for Adiyan or only for Aniruddha?
No, Ulag.
Always speak truth, right? Satyam Vada. So that is not for only for boys, only for girls, only for Indians, only for Americans. Is that like that? No, right?
No.
This is for all.
All. Ulag.
Ulag. Needi means like Satyam Vada is a dharma.
Needi means like that rule.
No, needi means this is our rule. This is the morality, like that. This is correct. Like dharma.
Yes, in stories, the more moral of the story comes.
Yes. So that moral of the story is used for
Ulag.
Ulag. All. Ulagam means all over the universe. So that is what in Sanskritam they call it as Subhashitani. Subhashitani. Okay. Like that in Tamil we have different Atichodi, Ulaganidi, Tirukkural. Okay. Tirukkural you have all. It talks about spiritual values as well as moral values for all. Okay. So that's how one among that. Okay.